Hi, in this Blender tutorial video, I'll show you how to create bouncing balls with rigid body simulation in Blender. Let's start. Select the default cube. Change its height by pressing S then Z. Also change its area by pressing S then X and S then Y. From physics, add rigid body. Change type to passive. Go down and from surface response change the bounciness value to 0.5. Go to add menu and from mesh add UV sphere. Right click and select shade smooth. Change the sphere position as shown. Go to physics and add rigid body. Change the collision shape to sphere. Go down and from surface response change the bounciness value to 1. Create many copy of the sphere by pressing Shift D. Change the position of the spheres. Select the second sphere, and from surface response change the bounciness value to 2. Select the third sphere, and from surface response change the bounciness value to 3. Select the fourth sphere, and from surface response change the bounciness value to 4. Select the fifth sphere, and from surface response change the bounciness value to 5. Play the animation.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.